This is part 2 of Geometry Lesson 11.4. Let's look at this one. We're looking at what's the probability that a point chosen at random in the trapezoid lies on the shaded region. Okay, the big shape is a trapezoid. Okay, so let's write it down like this. The probability that our point is on the shaded region. Well, here's how this is going to be working. Again, it's the number of ways you could be successful divided by the total number of ways. What we're looking at here is this. The area that we could be successful is the area that is shaded, divided by the total area. That's really the formulas we're going to be using in the homework for tonight. Area shaded divided by area total. Well, first of all, what do you have for area shaded? Well, we have two triangles. Here we go. There are two of them, and each triangle has a base and a height. Okay, here it is. Area of the triangle is 1/2 base times height. Okay, now, area total, what do you see? Well, you could do the area of a trapezoid, or the area total is two triangles and one rectangle. So let's do that. Here it is. Two triangles and one rectangle. What's the length and width of the rectangle? Yep, 10 by 4. 10 by 4. There it is. Now, what number are you going to use for the base of the triangle? 4. What number are you going to use for the height of the triangle? 4. Okay, here we go. Let's do it. On top, 2 because there's two triangles. 1/2. The base is 4. The height is 4. Okay, over 2. Again, 1/2. The base is 4. The height is 4. Good. Plus 10 times 4 is 40. Okay, here we go. On top, 4 times 4 is 16. 1/2 times 16 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. So we got 16 over 16 plus 10. That's going to be 16 over 26. Let's get that as a decimal first. 16 over 26. There it is, 0.615. 0.615. Good. As a decimal, let's move it 2 places to the right. 61.5%. Okay. Oh, wait a second. Let's do some numbers here. It's not 10 underneath, it's 40. There we go. Okay, great. I thought it was a little off. Okay, let's figure that out. Okay, here it is. That's going to be 16 over 56. That's a little better. 16 over 56. Okay, 16 divided by 56. There it is. Good. 0.285. 0.285 as a percentage now. 28.5%. Good. Let's go to our last one. Okay, same idea. What's the probability that a point chosen at random is going to be on your shaded region? So here we go. Probability that the point is on the shaded. Once again, our formula is going to be area shaded divided by area total. Now, that's how you start these. Now, after this, though, each one's a little different. In this one, what are you going to do to get the area shaded? I see two shapes. I see a circle and a square. What are you going to do with those areas? Yeah, you're going to take the area of the square minus the area of the circle, and that's going to give you the shaded. Now, area total. What's the big shape? Yeah, it's the square. There we go. Okay, here we go. Let's go ahead and do it. First of all, what's our radius? We're going to need our radius. Yeah, if this is 12, the radius is 6. Okay, here it is. Area of a square. How do we do that? Yeah, it's just length times width. So 12 squared minus area of a circle, pi r squared. So pi 6 squared all over the area of the square, which is 12 squared. So here we go. Let's do it. We got 144 minus, go pi 6 squared. Let's do that. We got a pi times 6 squared. There it is. Good. 113.09. Oop, let's go right here. 113.09. Good. All divided by 144. Okay, here we go. 144. 144 minus 113.09. Looking good. 30.91. 30.91 divided by 144. Okay, let's get it as a decimal. Good. Take that divided by 144. There's our decimal, 0.214. Okay, 0.214. Now, as a percentage, move it once, twice to the right. 21.4%. There it is. This right here, that's where how you start these problems. The probability that the point is on the shaded region is the area shaded divided by area total. From that point on, then it's all depends on your shapes. That's the end of lesson 11.4.